Hi, my name is Johan Terpstra and my wellness books are published under the name Excel Wellness. Involved in the internal arts since 2005, I am a graduate in Thai massage, natural therapies, and am knowledgeable in foot therapy, gemstones, numerology, and nutrition. I am a certified instructor in Tai Chi and Easy Fitness programs. As an author, I have many works under Excel Wellness published in ebook format on Amazon, Google Play, Blurb, and Payhip. Be sure to check them out under Excel Wellness. My book in the spotlight today is The Chi Key, Reflections on You, Me, and the Universe. Are you anxious about your own future? Does the uncertainty, the unknown scare you? I want to expound upon a matter that has taken me years to realize, and which I will seek to encapsulate in this brief publication, potentially replacing your anxiety with peace and assurance. In this publication, I will give you the Chi Key. To get this key, it has cost me in finances, time and effort, but this mind-blowing information I give to you at a fraction of the price. This key will unlock for you how you tick, how other people tick, how the world ticks, and how the universe ticks. This is incredible stuff to know, and you can know it today. Knowing this information has the following potential benefits: a sense of peace in every challenge of life and every stage of life, the assurance of all is well for you in the afterlife, freedom from limited and limiting belief systems, escape from patterns of negative thought and depressive emotional cycles, the transparency of mind to understand the mysteries of life's events, enhanced relationships through the awareness of how people function, the stimulus to embrace a foundational and transformative self-love, belief in a body of truth that fits perfectly with intuition and life's experiences. Read my book to discover more. Life does come with a built-in instruction manual. You now have the tools to better understand yourself and the world around you. Unlock your full potential. Knowledge is power, and power changes one's destiny in any sphere of life. Buy now, online, Johan David Terpstra.weebly.com or cheeky.weebly.com.